Good morning, students. So today we'll start block number 23, rocks and minerals. So in that block we are going to discuss lesson number 3, the rock cycle. The aim of lesson is to describe the rock cycle. So students, tell me, what is the rock cycles and why we call it is a rock cycle? Means it is a, so this is a three types of the rocks is there: igneous, sedimentary and metamorphic rock is there. So once when the volcano erupted, so we can see the igneous rock is formed. So you can see in this a picture. So there is a igneous, sedimentary and metamorphic, three types of the rock is there. So once it is spin the volcano erupted, when the volcano spin it is volcano erupted, so we can see the igneous rock is formed. Okay students, and due to the weathering, means due to the heavy rainfall, due to the soil erosions, when will flood come? So what happens students? So whatever the soil, stone, everything, it will take the along the flood and somewhere it will stop. So due to the weathering, what will happen? The small pieces of rock, it will be settled down somewhere. Okay students, and maybe the some animal will trap into these. So these stones will be happen a place automatically. So we fall one another, and what happen after the so many years, these all things they will settle down and they will form the layers, and it is called that a sedimentary rocks. And when the sedimentary rock, due to the more heat and the pressure, it will be changed into the metamorphic rock. Okay students, so igneous to sedimentary, sedimentary to metamorphic rock, it is a rock cycle. So when the metamorphic melt, if it is inside the earth, so inside the what will happen? So due to the some changes, it form the magma, and magma again what happen? The magma, it will be erupt again and it will form the igneous rock. If the igneous rock melt again, magma form, and when the magma cool again, igneous form. So you can see here arrow marking in this picture. Okay, here. Okay, when the magma it is cooled down, so it is igneous form, and again when it is a igneous melt down, so it is a magma form. Okay, so you can see by this two arrow marks. Okay, so why we call as a rock cycle students? So why we call this as a rock cycles? Means you can see here it is a process, slowly can be changed. Okay, in this picture you can see that here the process, it is be slowly can be changed. So it is a process, slowly can change into the rocks from one kind to the another kind of rock. So we can see here the rock cycle. So we can call it is a rock cycle because it is a change slowly. It is a change to the one kind of another kind of a rock, like the igneous to sedimentary, sedimentary to the metamorphic. So igneous rock from hot molten magma, it will break into the smaller pieces and settle down to form the sedimentary rocks. Again what happened? Sedimentary and igneous, both type of the rock form the metamorphic rock. So some metamorphic rock, what happened? It pull deep inside the earth crust. They melt to form the magma, and this magma again erupt and cool down and become hard form of igneous rock. So it is continuous process is there. So we will call it is a rock cycle. Okay. So students, how much time it will take to, do you know? How much time it will take? Do you know students? One type to rock it is formed, to one time of the rock to form. So it will take a million of years to form rock to complete the rock cycle. Okay, so different forces will be applied in, so like the heat, pressure, heavy wind, it is causes to changes in that rock. Okay, and so it is called with that a rock cycle. Okay students, so I hope you can understand. So you can open your worksheet. So see everyone, in your worksheet, yes, 3 worksheet is there, rock cycle. So first question is there, why rock cycle is called a cycle and what does it is tell us? Okay, that we just discussed the why rock cycle it is called a cycle. So you have to write answer. Draw, second question, draw and label a rock cycle. Okay, whichever the picture given in your content book, in your textbook, so you have to draw here rock cycle. Question number 3, based on the rock cycle, describe the cycle of the marble rock formed from limestone. Okay, so here students, how the marble rock it is formed, that you have to write. So I told you the layers of that rocks means like it is made sedimentary rocks. It is a sedimentary rocks. So sedimentary rocks, the example like the limestone. So and the limestones cover into the marble due to the heat and the pressures. So it is when it is a heat and it is a pressure, so it is a limestone convert to the marble rock. Okay, so this way you have to complete your worksheet. So in the next video we will learn our the last point, LP number 4. Okay students, bye.